Alright, we got a bunch of holes lined up here. Pre-set them up, so I got the hole pattern figured out. So all I do now is pull this cover off. Actually, no, not pulling this off. We're going to drill right through these. And then I got to come back and helical them. Okay, backwards I was going to do it, but alright, it'll work. So we're going to drill these straight through right now. Set our depth right there. We'll go ahead and move over to the next hole here. It's 3/8 of 25. Is it 5816? 5, 7, 8, 6, 3, 9. 8909. Close enough. Next hole's right there. Dirt and crap came out of that hole. Alright, next ones are way over here. 0. Close enough, 0. 0. Six, 0674. 6, 7, 4. This is 284. 28, 4. 29, 28, 5. Close enough. Next hole. Two, 6, 3. Oh, close enough. 567. 39. I'm off by 100. 67. 39. It was a lot quicker when you already got the numbers down. We got 61, 62. Close enough. 385. Those are all done. Pull the cover off now. That got it. Get the air leak. Alright, now just punch all these holes down. Got the tap driver here. Oh, it just didn't quite fit. There you go. I'm going to watch out for bottoming out right here. Of course, you probably can't see anything from that side. About this side. Yeah, I see better. Yeah. There you go. Pan out of the way. Low gear. And the holes in there. Let's see, third hole, 26162. Now, this hole 6739. 20263. Numbers I keep mumbling are my digital run up here. That tells me where my hole locations are at. Or I could just be talking to myself. It's hard to tell at times. Now I disturbed it, see? There we go. Wrong direction. 284. Right there. Excellent. It's my 0 point, so you put everything on 0. weld right there. $570, 25816. Right there. 308909. 87. Direction. 8909. Right there. Hey, it lines up. Tool actually worked that time. Alright. Yeah, it might be good enough. Tight clearances. Okay, this tab here, it won't focus, will it? Yeah, well, this one here has a point on it. This one here, the point's ground off. There it focused. So I'm going to swap out the tap for the other one. It's my quick change holder here. Now, there it goes. I'll run this one down the hole, let it do it again. We blew the chips in already. So we got a couple more turns out of that. Yep, looks good. So we cut that much out of there. See the chips coming on that. That's only good for about a turn, turn and a half, but if you don't put that extra turn, turn and a half in there, the helical might bottom out and you'll be stuck. That'd be a problem. Yeah. Get the tap back in. This tap's sharper, that's why I'm swapping it back. Get the replacement tap. The other one's getting dull. Alright, 4519. 819. 7, 8, 17. Close enough. This one's 37734. 734. Yep, close enough. That one had a fin on the back side. Looks like I just missed it. All right. Alright, got our helical right here. I don't know if we'll focus on that or not. Put it in front of my shirt, you might see it. There it comes in. So these are the locking helicoils, that's why they're reddish purple color. So it focuses on it. So anyway, it's got little flat spots in it, so it's the locking thing. So we'll go ahead, we got an install tool here, with a tap handle on it. I'm going to just put these in here by hand. And let it catch. A little pop there when it went in. About 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn below the surface. Make sure you don't poke through in the bottom. Okay. Then we knock the tang out. Now the helicoil, it'll focus in. There it goes, kind of. There we go. Get it where you can focus it. See there's a little tang right in here. Trying to watch it so I can see what it's doing. I want to hit it right here on this corner to break the whole edge off. It breaks right where the little notch here is. If you hit it here on the bottom of the tang, right there, it just bends down. If you hit it right here, it pops it. So you gotta make sure you pop it, not just bend it. I didn't hear it go anywhere. You got your screw right here. These are locking so they go tight. You see it come out the bottom right there. So it's a nice locking action screw. So now you don't even have to put Loctite, it's tight, so it takes a lot of pressure to overcome the tension. And when you get out of there, it comes right out. So that's how those work. So I'm going to go ahead and do all those ones we just drilled in. And get them done. Then we'll put the cover back on it and line up the other holes and do those. I got half the holes this time, I get the other half next time. And they're all being drilled on the center of our pan cover, so it should all fit on there nicely when we're done. Which is an important thing. I went to the ground somewhere, I saw it. Once you get all these holes tapped out, it goes pretty easy putting inserts in. As long as you don't have any problems. Heard that one pop again. I can feel my finger on the bottom, how far I am, get close to the bottom. I heard that one flip over there someplace. Now, if you're working with an open motor when you're doing this stuff, you got to find all those little tangs because you don't want those inside your motor anymore. They have a habit of getting in there, and they will cause a lot of damage. So that one. tang's right here, so I put the screwdriver like that into the hole. Pop it. Alright, so 3, 4 done. Got 2 more over here to do. Now this one over here is a blind hole. That means it doesn't go all the way through. So we're going to have to blow the tang out, make sure it comes out. If you don't get the tang all the way off or leave the tang on there, when you go to put the screw in the hole, it jams it all up. And the helical don't work right. It screws up the end of the thread of the bolt or screw, and when you go to unscrew it, it either chews up the insert or it brings it out with it. Neither one of those two are good. So always make sure you knock the tangs off. And always make sure you put them below the surface so they don't bottom out when you're tightening the covers and stuff down. See, that one looks like it's back there. That one's gone. And this one here is right here. We get this out with the air. We'll watch where it goes. Hit my finger and went over there. Okay, where's my screwdriver? I always go in here and make sure it's not even, make sure it's clear in the bottom of the hole. Just in case you think the tang came out and you're not sure. If you don't hit on the screwdriver, you know it's not there. Also see if there's any chips in the bottom of the hole. So we got those all done. So I'll go ahead and put the cover up on here and reset it. So, and the holes should all line up this time real nicely. So now we take them out and we swap them out for all the holes we didn't do last time. Putting them wherever I have a marking before. Taking them out where you don't have markings. Alright, and you double check when you go down. Let's see, looks like I got a screw right here. So I got 2 there, got 1 there, got 1 there, 1 here, and 1 right there. So you make sure you always got them in there. I'll have to go get me a little ratchet tightens up because the locking feature is tighter than what I can do with my screwdriver here. Screws are all started. You can see how there's nice and clearance. There's no binding because we drilled them all on the center of the block. There you go. So everything's nice and free, which is what I want to do. So I'll get my tool to do that and then I'll come back.